Hey everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can enable auto deposit on your CIBC account. It's a quick and easy process, so follow along. To get started, ensure you have a latest version of the CIBC mobile banking app or you are browsing on a CIBC website. First, sign in the account, and first step is that and access the menu, and then find enters e transfer from the menu. Select the interface, and from now you have to select interest e-transfer. If this is your first time using the service, you will be prompted to registration. Reg- Enter your legal name and email address and mobile phone number, and agree to the terms and conditions to just register account in CIBC. Once you have registered in the CIBC, scroll down the interface e-transfer menu and select auto deposit settings. From that, now here here is to you have to log in CIBC online banking app and select the account you want to deposit your money into. And step 3 is to on your account details page, select manage my account. From the drop down menu, select void or check deposit info. A preview of your void check with your account information open. Now final step is to select open PDF to print or save the form and sign it and give it to your employer or provider. So it's very easy. The form exactly looks like this, and it is very easy and very simple. If you found this video very helpful, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.